lovely curlies and wavies. So let me put it straight out there. I got Dyson. Yes, I asked for it and I got it. And now I want to return it. Okay, so what you get with your Dyson is this like a non-slippery mat, then also air attachment, styling concentrator, some smoothing nozzle as well, and diffuser. That's like really, that is the important part for us curlies and wavies, and this amazing holy grail. So it took me 24 minutes and 50 seconds to completely dry my hair. So, hear me out. This is the Dyson. Clicks. It's easy, I know. Probably that's why it's $2.99. Also, it's got those great settings. I do love the highest one for the fan. Look at it. It's fast. So, I just wanted to show you how hot it is. The first one, it's basically, it's not, it's the coolest shot, and it's like 28 degrees. The second one is already 60 degrees, which I know that most people said, oh yeah, it took me only 15 minutes to dry my hair, but it's quite hot. And I feel like the whole CGM is about not really using like hot air. And that's why the first time I used it, I literally just used the cool shot. So it's like the 28 degrees. And yeah, it took me 45 minutes to dry my hair because I know it is a cool shot, so obviously I need a heat. But that's why I'm struggling with this, because I've got also Remington Air 3D, and I've got also Black Orchid. Don't ask me why I've got that. Yeah, and also, and I'm just thinking, it is the same time. It is the same, like 45 minutes. But obviously today I did it with I just put it on this. I was kind of like switching between the 60 degrees and 28, and it did rapidly, obviously, cut the time to 25 minutes. But I'm just not sure. I'm just not sure if it's worth it. I know that it's everyone's holy grail, and I want to hear what you think. And I feel like that it's just like, it's so much money for not being sure about it. So that's why I'm gonna return it. And if I'm gonna get it again, I'll get the refurbished one, which is for £239, which is like, now it's sold out. But I'm not sure about $299 for Dyson, and I'm just a bit worried if it's not a hype. And I just wanted to put it out there because I know that everyone's always raving about it, and I'm sure that it would take me time to get hold of it, and it would be great. But I'm just gonna return it. Just yeah, and let me know. I want to know your experience with Dyson, and also I want to know if you decided to return it for the same reasons or not. And yeah, I'm just the most indecisive person on earth, and it is hard. It is hard. So please let me know, and have a great day. Check my website. And on Instagram I'm on Healthy Curls Now. So I'll see you soon.